Hello to everyone. Happy weekends and good health. Thank you, Lord, for giving another day and another. What's that? Happy birthday to all celebrating this birthday. Also, before the end of this month. So this one, sa wakas, they are giving already gift the family of Madam for yesterday to celebrate their birthday, and this one that we need also. So this one is the cake, and the another one there is another white, this one, and to spend time for the eating, and they are taking yesterday the sandwich. The sandwich, and this one, and this one also for the dinner, and this one for the children. Okay, so this one haram, I can use this one with the bright egg, the finger haram naman din. Kasi and I can easily, because in the chicken talaga, probably in the chicken I want barbecue. That is my favorite, barbecue. And in the cooking of the chicken only, I want only wings, the puwet of the chicken and the neck. Oh, that's all. That's what I like, and the feet. Okay, but the laham, the body of the chicken, it's not, kumbaga it's not favorite. And on this one also, you can use this one for the salad, or you can eat alone, but mostly mix this one in the salad. It's very delicious, you know, it's very good. So it's already yesterday they are celebrating the family. All the, not all, the nearest family of Madam, their niece, their sister, their parents, aunt, and cousins, to spend the celebration for the birthday of Madam for, I think, tomorrow, November 1. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for more blessings at all. Gavin to all of us. Si Sisi mag-iit na ng cornflakes. Thank you. And happy weekends. And bye-bye. We can use the really I use this one because for the school of Sisi I need it to use this one. Thank you again, and bye. Happy weekends. God bless us all.